Get on with, to continue or progress with something. Example, it's time to get on with our project and finish it before the deadline. Give up, to stop doing something, to surrender or quit. Example, despite facing numerous obstacles, she refused to give up on her dream. Hand out, to distribute or give something to each person in a group. Example, the teacher handed out worksheets to the students for the assignment. Hand over, to give control or possession of something to someone else. Example, the suspect was required to hand over his weapons to the police. Hang out, to spend time together in a relaxed manner. Example, let's hang out at the park this weekend. Hold back, to restrain or prevent someone or something from moving forward or progressing. Example, despite his fear, he tried not to hold back during the performance. Keep up, to maintain or continue at the same pace or level. Example, it's important to keep up with the latest developments in your field. Knuckle down, to start working seriously and with determination. Example, with exams approaching, it's time to knuckle down and study. Leave out, to omit or exclude something or someone. Example, the recipe calls for eggs, but you can leave them out if you're allergic. Let down, to disappoint or fail to meet someone's expectations. Example, I'm sorry I let you down. I'll try to do better next time. Look back, to reflect on or consider the past. Example, as she looked back on her childhood, she realized how much she had grown. Look forward to anticipate or feel excited about something that is going to happen. Example, I'm looking forward to my vacation next month. Look into, to investigate or examine something. Example, the authorities promised to look into the matter and find a solution. Look out, to be careful or vigilant, to watch out for potential danger. Example, look out. There's a car coming. Look up, to search for information in a reference source. Example, if you don't know the meaning of a word, you can look it up in the dictionary.